Hello people, my name is Alec from Racing Productions, and today I want to show you a new video that I come up with. It's how to set up your server on Bukkit with port forwarding. Of course, I made it, and it's working pretty well with proxy, with plugins, and everything. It works better than Minecraft server. So let's get started. So first that you want to do is let me delete this. First, what you have to do is port forward your internet. It's very easy stuff, I guess. But if you don't have like let's wonder if you don't have like permission to do that or something like that, just don't do it. Don't fuck up anything, you know, if you don't know anything about PCs, because that's not just like nothing, you know. Alright, so let's get started. So first we go to the web browser and we type 192.168.1.1. Here will pop out your router options, and if it asks for password, this is gonna be of course different than mine. And if it asks for password, just put admin like this, and everything will pop out. Status, everything, you know. Alright, so one thing that you have to do, what you have to find is, for me it's right here, you have to find port forwarding. I don't know what the hell is this. I can't help it because I never had a different router. But if you find finally port forwarding, you go to it, and I already have open port. Always open port for 25565. Always. There's no question. You always put on here because it's Minecraft something. And alright, so edit. I'm gonna show you guys. You make a new one and server. You press active. Service name. It's Minecraft.exe. Start port 25565. End port 25565. Server IP address. It's then you have to go to start. Run cmd, and you have to put IP config, and here will pop out your address IP. Here, you take this. It will always be like 192.168.1, and then like your letter. So you write it down here somewhere, and now you go back and type this shit in here, and then you apply. And now your port is finally open. You're ready to put it, I guess, to work. So let's get started on this. Let me just log out. So what you want to do right now is go to web browser again and write Bukkit. It's like this. Like this. Go to Bukkit forums and get craft bucket, and go down a little bit, and here's easiest methods for Windows, and you get download Imanian Fates craft bucket installer, and then you download it. Alright, so when you're done downloading, you will probably have like craft bucket and bucket full of lava. It takes 10 megabytes, so it's not much. Now you open it just like regular, and you can see welcome to craft bucket installer. Press next, build for Java. I agree, and then you go to desktop. I want for desktop and test Minecraft server. You press OK, next, and start. It will install very fast. Now what you do is, if you have the port open already, then what you do is go to test Minecraft, and you have like plugins, banned IPs, banned players, bucket, you know, all the stuff. What you want is not the Notepad server, not here. You will have like server permissions. I think it's server permissions, server properties, properties. You go to it, and you press you want to open in Notepad. That's what will pop out. So here's not set up. First was level name. Level name is just basically what world you want to play. For me, it's just like, you know, test one in other Minecraft, my official server that me and friends are playing. I have like puzzle map. So if you download some puzzle map or something like that, just place it on your Minecraft server folder, and then you check his name and you put it right here in like level name. Allow nether is false. It's just a nether. View distance is just leave it like this. Spawn monsters if you want to spawn monsters or not. Online mode, just keep that. Difficulty 0 is peaceful, and you get the image. So I do 0 game mode, 0 is survival, 1 is creative mode. Spawn animals, you know, you have that. PvP, player versus player, false. Max players 3. Server IP, you leave that. Level C, you leave that. Here's server port, you leave it. 25565. If you opened it, everything should be fine. I'll find, yeah. And here we find like in the button, what we'll say on the button, I would say Adex awesome server. There we go. It's pretty set up. Now we go to desktop and craft Bukkit Server and turn it on. Now we will spawn area. It will take some time. If you have nether, then we'll spawn also number 2, but I don't have it, so I guess everything is set it up. Now minimize it, and we go to Minecraft, and we go to multiplayer, and as you can see, it's running. And now this is the most important thing. I'm gonna just delete it for you guys. Alright, add server. You know, if you don't have it, just add server, and Minecraft, just write Minecraft Arc for me, it's like this. And now what you do, if you want to run it from your computer, then you put the IP that you found on in comment in CMD. That for me is 192.168.133. Done. And you will connect it. And you connect it automatically. Alright. It connected automatically. The server is running right now. I can show you guys because I don't have no friends, you know, online right now because everybody's sleeping. Alright, if somebody else wants to join your server, then you give him your IP address, just IP address. So let me show you how to get that. You go to IP chicken. You go there, and you'll have my IP address. You take it, and that's how we get it. I'm not gonna display my IP because I'm not gonna show you my IP because I'm not gonna do it. So that's how it is. Minecraft is perfectly running. If, as I tell again, it won't work if you will give somebody else IP from CMD. It will only work if you give them your IP from IP chicken. That's how it's gonna work. So I guess that's it. Took us pretty much 8 minutes 25 seconds to set it up. Not that much. I guess I see you guys, and next video I'm gonna make plugins, how to install plugins and how to set them up. Thanks for watching, guys.